Why do we innovate? Why change? If you just want things to stay the same but get better? We are born into a material world. We grow up asking questions that matter. How do things work? Why are things the way they are? Why do things change? Curiosity drives our sense of discovery. To unlock new possibilities, we imagine how things could change. We experiment. We adapt. We overcome. We ask questions that spark ideas for new ways of doing things. In our modern world, a world filled with objects we can touch, interact with, and build upon, materials science touches every aspect of daily living. When ideas merge, innovation emerges and leads to breakthroughs in all areas of our lives. From transportation to electronics and healthcare. These are all made possible through materials science applied intelligently. And while some may see them as miracles, we see them as bringing ideas to life through innovation. Innovation is not something achieved by coincidence. It's not a black box, some magical formula to be taken for granted. We innovate through sheer effort, by imagining what motivates people to make life better than before. We embrace change. After all, what good is innovation without the human touch to give it life? Innovation preserves what we hold dear. It leads to better ways of enjoying everything we treasure. Innovation empowers us to fulfill our commitments to the people we care about and to secure a better environment for their future. Live with innovation. Awaken possibilities with the materials for life.